Vector division is done in the same way. And then let's call it G and divide X by Z and run it. And then we see that G is equal to 0.5 divided by 3, which is 1.667, and then 2 divided by 2, which is 1, and then minus 1 to 0. And if we divide something to 0, it is not good because it gives infinity, and MATLAB actually says that it's equal to infinity. But since one of the numbers is negative, MATLAB says minus infinity. So we can divide vectors element by element by using this dot division sign. Now let's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now let's go to H and try to do the same with Y. Y divided by Y. And we see that we get a column vector of ones, of units, because Y, all elements of Y are equal to themselves. And then if we divide a vector Y by itself, element by element, we get ones. So now we see that the division of two of the row vector and the row vector gives us a row vector, and division of column vector and the column vector gives us a column vector. Now let's try to do the same as we did before with other operations. Let's say this is a G, H, I. Let's say I is equal to X divided by Y. Let's try to divide X by Y in the same way. What will we get? We get matrix again. So again, we will restrict division only to dividing row vector by row vector and column vector by column vector.